welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Street View. From any location on your map, you can click on a marker. If you're using full address, you'll get a street view that looks like this. You can click around on this street view. You can also launch Street View, which will open it up onto your big screen so that you can move around just like anything else. You can also get out of it. Using the X on the top right, we close that Street View. You can also activate Street View by taking Pegman and dragging him anywhere on the map. All right, so this is where I just randomly dropped Pegman. As you can see, I found a pretty spot. To get back out of this, again, that X is right at the top right, and you can close that up. That's how to use Street View. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.